In section A, the most recent technology that can be used in web service, we choose Internet of Things and cloud computing. Internet of Things, known as a network of interconnected physical devices, vehicles, and appliances that communicate and exchange data with each other through the Internet. These devices can collect and share data without human intervention, enabling them to interact with each other and with other Internet-enabled devices. One example IoT in real world is smart home automation, Amazon Alexa. User of the smart home can control their devices such as lights, doors, thermostats, security cameras, and speakers via voice commands or mobile apps that interface with web service. There are three advantages IoT in smart home automation. Number one, easy to use. This is because user does not need to move in order to turn off the light because they can manage the light simply with voice commands or mobile apps. Number two, improve security. This is because user smartphone apps can receive real-time notifications from smart security cameras and sensors, giving them immediate notice of any suspicious activity while they are away from home. Number three, saving costs. This is because smart home thermostats can adjust heating or cooling to minimize energy consumption based on user preference and leading to lower utility bills. Second trend technologies that we choose is cloud computing. On-demand access of computing resources, physical servers or virtual servers, data storage, networking capabilities, application development tools, software, AI-powered analytics tools, and moreover, the internet with pay-per-use pricing. It uses a network to connect users to a cloud platform. There are three example real implementation of cloud computing. Number one, streaming service. Netflix act as streaming services need to provide streaming options to millions of customers in every corner of the globe. It nearly impossible to do so with physical servers as they need to have loads scattered worldwide. Number two, file sharing service. The vast majority of users no longer save file on their computers. Instead, they use services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive to save their files on the cloud, freeing up space on their computer and ensuring easy access from anywhere. And number three, Facebook. Facebook is a mix of the two in that it can store an infinite amount of information, image, and video on your profile. They can be accessed on multiple devices. There are four advantages in cloud computing: cost effectiveness, unlimited scalability, security, and increased speed and agility.
For the first one, we chose Google Cloud Platform as it offers to design, host, manage, and scale web applications and services. The Google Cloud Platform web service is it includes several services and tools that cater to different aspects of web applications. So their key services is include Google App Engine, Google Kubernetes Engine, Cloud Run, and Compute Engine. So for the Google App Engine, it's a fully managed serverless platform to build and deploy web applications, automatically handling the infrastructure concerns like scaling, patching, and load balancing. So ideally, for developers who want to focus solely on writing code without worrying about the infrastructure. So regarding the Google Kubernetes engine, manage Kubernetes services that allows for orchestration of applications. It provides automated management, monitoring, and scaling for applications. So it is very suitable for applications that require complex orchestration, scaling, and management of microservices. So for the Cloud Run, it's a fully managed compute platform that automatically scales stateless containers. So it supports both containerized web applications and microservices. So it's very perfect for developers looking for a serverless platform that supports containerization. So for the compute engine, provides virtual machines (VMs) that can be customized and managed to host web applications. Offers flexibility in terms of machine types, networking, and persistent storage. So it is best for applications that requires custom environments or specific configurations that are not easily supported by App Engine or Google Kubernetes Engine. Google Cloud Platform offers the technologies and tools which include compute and hosting for the Google App Engine, standard and flexible environments, so automatically scaling. For the Kubernetes engine, Kubernetes and Docker. For the Cloud Run, containerized applications and serverless architecture, and Compute Engine, customizable VMs and various OS support. Regarding the storage and database, it uses the cloud storage, object storage services for Cloud SQL, manage relational databases using MySQL or other ones. Cloud Spanner, globally distributed relational database, Google Firestore and Datastore, NoSQL databases for scalable web applications. Regarding networking, cloud load balancing, global and regional load balancing for distributing traffic, cloud CDN, content delivery network to speed up web content delivery, VPC, which is virtual private cloud for network segmentation and security. Regarding development and monitoring, for the cloud build, continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines. For the Stackdriver, monitoring, logging, and diagnostics for applications. Cloud source repositories, Git repositories hosted on Google Cloud Platform. So overview of the aspect of applicability, performance, and reliability. So the Google Cloud Platform web service is very versatile that can cater to wide range of applications, from small startups to large enterprises. So it's very suitable for web applications, mobile backends, data processing, machine learning applications, and many, many more. Regarding the performance, it includes infrastructure of global load balancing, fast network speeds, and optimized virtual machines. Services like Cloud CDN and Cloud Spanner offer low latency access to data and content, enhancing the performance of web applications. So GCP is very reliable. The features like multi-region deployment, automatic failover, and managing backups. So the services such as Google Kubernetes before Engine and Cloud Run offer built-in redundancy and self-healing capabilities to maintain uptime. So overview of the aspect of scalability and security. So it offers automatic scaling, is a core feature of many of the Google Cloud Platform services. So they all provide automatic scaling based on traffic and load to ensure that applications can handle large amounts of traffic without intervention. Regarding the security model includes multiple layers of security controls, encryption by default, and comprehensive compliance certifications. So IAM provides granular access control and tools like Security Command Center to help identify and mitigate any vulnerabilities. In summary, Google Cloud Platform web service is very flexible and scalable for developing and deploying any web applications, whether it is a startup or a large company. So, from the wide array of tools and services that is mentioned before, GCP can meet the needs of any developers to provide for any type of applications and sizes, so that to ensure high performance, reliable, tight security regarding the encryption, and very scalable. That is all from Google Cloud Platform.
Next, I will talk about Microsoft Azure. It is a cloud computing platform and service provided by Microsoft. It offers a wide range of cloud service, including those for computing, analytics, storage, and networking. Users can pick and choose from these services to develop and scale new applications or run existing applications in the public cloud. The platform aims to help businesses manage challenge and meet their organizational goals. It offers tools that support all industries, including e-commerce, finance, and a variety of Fortune 500 companies, and is compatible with open source technologies. So next we have tools used in Microsoft Azure. So the first one we have Azure Storage Tool. These are some of the example. The first one is NetTrio, which help track and scale based on queue-specific metrics. The second one is CloudPotam. It allows you to manage your Azure storage resources from simple to use browser-based dashboard. And the last one is Azure Explorer, which is an essential piece of cloud tool set of managing Azure cloud storage. So for the second one is Azure DevOps tools. The example is Azure Repos that allow you to manage your code, collaborate with others, and build and deploy your application. Next, we have Azure Bots, which is allow to manage your project, track work item, and collaborate with your team members. And the last one is Azure Pipelines that allow to automate your entire software development cycle. So lastly is Azure Development Tools. We have Azure Ping, which helps in maintaining tabs for Azure storage resources or Azure host database. Next, we have Cloud Explorer for Visual Studio, which is helps in identification of Microsoft Azure resources according to name, type, or resources groups, and that to directly from Visual Studio IDE. And the last one is Cloud Combine, which help in easier browsing, downloading, upload, and transfer of files between cloud storage services. So for the last one for Microsoft Azure, which is overview of the aspect of applicability, performance, and reliability. So for the applicability, Microsoft Azure spans across diverse industries, making it versatile choice for healthcare, finance, retail, gaming, and government sectors. And for the performance, Microsoft Azure's high performance is achieved through its expansive global network of data centers, offering low latency and high availability. And for last one is reliability. Microsoft Azure ensured through data redundancy across multiple data centers, stringent service level agreements, guaranteeing uptime and performance, and comprehensive disaster recovery solution such as Azure Site Recovery and Backups. So, in summary, Microsoft Azure is the only consistent hybrid cloud, delivers unparalleled developer productivity, provide comprehensive, multi-layered security, including the largest compliance coverage of any cloud provider, and you will pay less for Azure as AWS is 5 times more expensive than Azure for Windows Server and SQL Server.